Let's see how we can support this lens with this tiny package. The Benro GH2FL gimbal head folds down super tight, but packs a big punch for your photography and possibly video too. It can hold up to 22.1 pounds or 10 kilos of camera kit, and it gets small enough to fit in your backpack. Or the included carry case keeps all the pieces snug. All the Arca-compatible clamps have large lock knobs, so your camera will always be super secure. It's got scales where you need them, and a bubble level to keep you straight. But what about for video? Attach your camera directly to the gimbal for vertical filming. Now let's see how to set this thing up. First, thread the base onto the 3/8/16 thread of your tripod. We recommend one of our Benro Mammoth tripods for that. Next, loosen this knob, lift the gimbal arm and lock in place. Then open the rotating arm by pressing on the release button, pushing the opposite side, and attach to the QR clamp. By the way, this thing is Arca compatible and a fantastic camera accessory with ball heads too. Okay, let's go back to the setup. Attach the camera plate to your lens, clamp it down, and boom, you're good to go.